Yes.
Hey! Another one don't happen. Where we there so? Now Manchester we dey. Ma say Manchester le. If you London, why here was here UK. Edu wa we mi ma obi be. Eri ya we mi ma.
Too much love.
No there. Amami keri o we ji.
Real love, not be fake oh. Real love.
London go where you talk. No yawa. If you London go where you talk. No yawa. If you UK go where you talk. No yawa. No yawa oh. No yawa oh. No yawa oh. No yawa. If you London walking on no there. O wa ama. Epo lu wa keni go la sian. No wa ya filima. Egi tibu. Egi ti oyi. U form ke an form da me ka bo ese. Ma wa we London na no there. O Manchester you know. E Manchester mo wa je na.
What a result.
Hey!
Let's toast to London.
Now pop a champagne in London.
Yes.
Pop
We have to toast.
Is our tradition.
Yes.
After a successful event, Simon must pop a champagne. Because here is a day where so on a tradition man we must pump champagne to appreciate London people. We're Dublin, we pump champagne to appreciate them. So we can appreciate London people now. So this is to say where I will say. So yes.
Why milku?
Anyone in here? London people.
Who the Zuzu? Who the Zuzu? Papa, champagne.
London, yeah. London, yeah. London, yeah. Okay.
Yes, so
It is time to.
one love.
This is to say, cheers everybody.
Cheers to London. Happy life, successful. Cheers.
Manchester man in Jena. Wala, Manchester. Me wa last year. Wa last year. Wa dia am wa no wa. Wa ya pa pe bu me. Wala dia akwe. Keep on vivega. Esther O Edofani aka Lady Aslam aka Sister Carol. Sister Carol. Okay,
Okay, let's talk about the award. Want to go?
Yes, this is we'll call it Indian Yesterday. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. This is a very nice and wonderful trophy going to the city that is going to win this very. Is it a wedding Coca-Cola? Wedding Coca-Cola? Is it an Olympic tour?
Yes.
Olympic tour. See, now tomorrow will be the last day for this side, United Kingdom. Most of they don't even wait for Ireland, but we are still grouping them together anyway. So tomorrow is the last day, and by tomorrow, after tomorrow show, we will now call the winner. And the INEC officer, now you want call him. Tomorrow we go give you the mic, we'll give you time. Saying is believing now, they know they do what you know they put on.
Lie.
I want you to know. The way we want to do one, we know all of you have shown love. The first show for Island, the love when I see with my eye, I know I expect them. Then yesterday, London, when they say London people, they know they respond to show. London people, they know. But yesterday, I never expected it. It was wow. See love now. See real love. So tomorrow is Manchester. Though we didn't start on time. That show yesterday we started late. Oma came here, man. Because mama, it couldn't even phone me. Cause my nigga, Oma someone can. He might be better. If we not check what we here now with the man. Why oh now? If Manchester what they at least 4 hours. Yeah, man. 4 hours.
Now so.
And you not pay money buy enjoy. What they Manchester so that tomorrow after the show they will not call the winner. And when they will have boost the hall, and my yard say winner. When they will have boost the hall, like Ireland, it was a pass mark. It was a pass mark. The hall was filled up. Like London, it was a pass mark. Then Manchester no Canada. In my head, Canada. Don't malaki kuala kwe.
Ow.
Eh oh malaki kuala kwe.
The Manchester Mullers.
Yeah, my mullers.
I am.
I can say Benin.
Yeah, Mullers.
So I quite okay. In my Korean Island, in my very Korean London. So I quite like Korean Manchester. I see a result. We get a whole level now for 73 show. Then this very trophy will go to the Edo Community Union in the city. Edo Community Union already sitting on winning. Hey, mama, we now marry. Because this one is symbol of our kingdom. So any Edo community now we appreciate their coming out. So while we do no so oh mama we ma encourage please tomorrow wakabosi a bet water we make the Manchester we make na mo e na rio wa na do me wa land do mi wa oh ni London do mi wa ima only expose wa because then you have gone maybe can expose them so where we make the ticket or na where you and get your ticket and you are taking history where and then a lady also in another way a water mama part also after the COVID the show ni how man win so I cannot restrict wala we go Manchester what the ticket to what la jama ko o sa no that's not no fian kwa ni London e London e show ni le no there why ba o manuwa why ba o manuwa omo amanuwa odo amanuwa City, oh yeah. Oh Manchester, oh yeah. Yes, and let me not forget, son of the soil, a very important personality in the society. Anytime, any day, very surprised, you know, surprised when I say it's day here. It's day here, it's surprised how it is. It's there with us tomorrow. Success, big Optima Empire. Tomorrow, everywhere goes Zuzu. Everywhere goes Zuzu. Who the big mommies in the house, no there. One particular woman. That woman, Mama, I need to see you again. Okay. Give you special thing. Many people. I appreciate it.
Bless you. I love you guys so much. One love.
Thank you. Don't forget, come out tomorrow.